Anika, what did you do?
I put colors inside so that's a rainbow.
Okay. Anika, what are you doing now?
Now I'm going to put some washing soap.
Okay, do that. Put it. Ensure you don't spill it over. Anika, what are you going to do now?
I'm going to mix them all.
Mix it, please. Properly, all the way to the bottom. I still see soda. Soda not getting mixed properly. Mix. Okay, mix everything. The other spoon. Use the other spoon to mix the other one. Excuse me.
It's not ready.
What are we doing now?
We are going to put this into the cup.
That's vinegar. Let's put it.
Okay.
Put. Keep putting. Keep it. Come on, pour it. Pour. Enough. Put it in the other. Put it in the other. Put other. Yes, put it in the other side. Other, red. Oh, come on, do it. What has happened?